What is software? Write two main types of software. A set of instructions given to a computer to solve a problem is called software. A computer works according to the instructions written in software. Two main types of software are application software and system software. What is system software? System software is set of programs to control and manage the actual operations of a computer hardware. It controls the usage and allocation of different hardware components. It enables application programs to execute properly. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.